Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit. Now click on connection and sharing. Following that, tap on printing and default print service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to use different print service though, you need to click on this switcher next to use print service to disable it. Then click on the back button and choose add service. From here, install the best one for you, and when it's ready, tap on the back button twice. Finally, just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!